Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glowstick, back with another video, and today we're gonna be going over a welcome message in Discord.js. Now, sorry if you hear like any icicles falling, or like if I'm just making spelling mistakes. It's insanely cold outside right now and in my house, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what we want to first off try and do is we have to make an event, and how you make an event is exactly how we made an event here. So if it says client once client ready and stuff like that, client on, that's an event right there. And yeah, so basically we just want to make a client on. Sorry, my computer's lagging a bit. We just want to make a event which is client dot on, and you wanna make it guild. Sorry, my computer froze. I'll be back when it unfreezes. So it unfroze, so sorry about that. And then it's gonna be guild member add. Right, you just wanna make that, and then add a comma and pass in our member function, and convert it into arrow, and open up brackets and open that up. Now we have our first client on. Now we want to make another variable, const welcome channel. And okay, so sorry about that. So welcome channel, and let me just move my notes here. So it's gonna be called new Discord. No, sorry. member.guild.channels cache dot find, and then we want to have c, and then another arrow function, and then c.id. C basically stands for channel, if you didn't get that by now, and open up quotations. And once you open up quotations, you want to actually go into your Discord here and find your welcome channel. So over here I have welcome, so you just want to click copy ID on that, get the channel's ID, and then once you get that, you want to go to Visual Studio Code again, or whatever you're going to get, just paste the ID there. And now this just gets the welcome channel's ID. And yeah, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an embed. So I'm just going to be starting off with const channel welcome embed. Alright, I'm just going to make this, it's fine actually, welcome channel embed. Now yeah, you want to open it up, and then I think you know how to go over this. Discord message embed, right? And we can just do here and set color. This is just gonna be the embed. When somebody joins our channel, it's gonna send that. So we want to you can choose any color. I'm just gonna go blue because Discord is blue, looks really nice. Set title saying welcome. Set description. Now this is all up to you. You can customize this however you'd like, but I'm just gonna keep it how it is. So I want to say member. Oh wait, I have to maybe do this. Oh, hold on. Oh no, I forgot. Instead of that, it's supposed to be Toad keys. Make sure this is Toad keys because we want to ping the person who came. It's not actually gonna ping them. It's just gonna, tag them. Just joined the Discord. Make sure to read stack rules. Now this is gonna just tell them to go to rules and check it out first, because you want our new members to know actually what the rules are. And okay, yeah, so we just want them to read the rules. I don't think it's gonna actually be able to say it, so we just want to say read the rules. can't really type. So now this is our description for our embed. Now I went over how to do all of this, I think in episode 2. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out. And we just want to set timestamp. Nope, wrong place. Timestamp and that. Now you can end it like that, and you gotta do member dot send, and then DM. Oh no, sorry. This is okay, sorry for that. We're gonna do welcome channel. So the thing that we did here, and it's gonna send it there. So welcome channel dot send, and then channel welcome embed. So it's gonna send that. Now you can also incorporate a DM into this. So DM's a person. So const DM welcome embed. Okay, and we can just keep this new. Honestly, we can just copy and paste this because it's basically the same thing. So new Discord message embed, and boom, and then indent this in. And instead of that, we can just say over here for help ping or DM one of our help. You can keep this again as however you like, and but yeah. And now in order to send this, it's just gonna do member.send and DM welcome embed, and it sends it. So right here, message member. If you pass in member, then only will this work. So make sure you have passed in member. And now we have to do. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to, give them a role when they also join them. What do you call them? Join the guild, I guess. So yeah. Sorry, come in. You just want to do member dot guild, and then dot roles dot cache, and dot find. And now we can pass in role arrow function, and then role dot name. So it's gonna search it via its name, and then 2 equal signs, and then put in whatever your main role is called. So whatever everybody has, all your members have, keep it. Put that in there, and then we can put in if role 1 or whatever you call it. Just return, meaning if role 1 is not actually even in the guild, or you just wanna have it reply, the bot's gonna say couldn't find that. I really can't spell today. That role. And now that you have that, you can actually just do member dot roles dot add, and then role 1 or whatever we call it. And believe it or not, that's our whole command done. Now I'll be showing you guys. There's one last thing that you have to do. So if we hop into our Google Chrome, and by the way, this is how it's gonna look like, right? So I invited Me6 when I was just testing with the bot. So with bot, and then it said join the Discord. Make sure we do it. But you want to go to discord.com here, and scroll all the way down, and go into developers and applications. Find your thing, right? So I have Mixer, and go into bot, and make sure you tick these 2 things. Okay, I think I did in the beginning, but make sure these 2 are ticked, just so it's something with that Discord just has. So you make sure that you have this. Yeah, it's nothing that complicated. Just tick them off. If you don't do it right now, but now we can actually test this out. So if I actually run the bot, so go into our Visual Studio Code and do node space dot. Okay, just wait for that to go on. It says Mixer is logged in. So in order to test, we will invite a bot. So I have Me6 here, right? If we go into here, let's go into the bot. I'll come back. What do you call it? yeah, so once I get the welcome message and stuff, I'll come back. Okay, so I'm authorizing it right now, and it's been authorized. So now if we go into our testing right here, and as you guys can see, we have a new thing almost, and you guys saw I didn't go. Just go click on this welcome, and as you guys can see, so Vibe, I also have Vibe. It has the same exact command, so it's gonna say it too. But as you guys can see, it says Macer from here. It says Me6, just join the Discord, make sure to read the rules. And if you click, it also assigned the rule to it, so we can just take that out because it's actually not. And no one likes Me6. If you get offended by that, I'm sorry, but I just prefer my bot that I made, but we can kick that. But as you guys can see, it worked. Now, because it is a bot, it gave us an error, and I knew that. This will not happen with actual members. I've tested it before. But it says cannot send messages to this user, and that's because it's a bot. So a bot sending a DM to a bot would just not work out, and that's the thing. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed. We hit 80 subscribers, so I'm gonna be uploading every single day this week, so all the way from Monday through Friday. Be sure to stay tuned in for that. But anyways, till next time, see ya.